In the vast digital landscape where lines of code shape our world, developers rely on remarkable tools to bring their visions to life. Two such indispensable companions on this intricate journey are Visual Studio Code and GitHub. Imagine VS Code as a trusty Swiss Army knife, packed with features for writing, debugging, and refining your code. GitHub, on the other hand, acts as a grand library and collaboration hub, a place to store, share, and work together on projects, fostering a sense of community and teamwork. These tools are essential for anyone venturing into the world of programming, whether a novice or an expert. They streamline the development process, making it efficient and, dare I say, enjoyable by providing a robust environment for coding. But like any good tool, understanding their strengths and weaknesses is paramount to harnessing their full potential. VS Code is renowned for its versatility and has become a favorite among developers worldwide. It supports a multitude of programming languages, from Python and JavaScript to C++ and Java, making it a one-stop solution for all your coding needs. This makes it an ideal choice for both novice and seasoned programmers, providing a platform that grows with your skills. Its intuitive interface provides a clean workspace, allowing you to focus on what truly matters: your code. While extensions allow you to customize it to your heart's content, adding functionalities that suit your specific needs. Need to debug your code? No problem. VS Code has you covered with its integrated debugger, making the debugging process seamless and efficient. Want to collaborate with colleagues in real time? Live Share makes it a breeze, enabling remote pair programming and team collaboration effortlessly. This remarkable tool adapts to your workflow, offering a range of themes and plugins to enhance your coding environment, making coding a more streamlined and productive experience, no matter what your project entails. GitHub, much like a bustling marketplace of ideas, is where developers from all corners of the globe converge. It's a platform for version control, allowing you to track changes to your code and revert to previous versions if needed. Imagine it as a safety net for your projects, ensuring that no line of code is ever truly lost. Beyond version control, GitHub fosters collaboration. Developers can work together on projects, seamlessly merging their contributions and resolving conflicts. It's a testament to the power of open source software and the collaborative spirit of the programming community. VS Code and GitHub, while powerful individually, reach their full potential when used in tandem. These tools are designed to complement each other perfectly. VS Code integrates seamlessly with GitHub, allowing you to push your code to repositories and work with branches directly from your editor. This integration simplifies version control. This synergy streamlines the development workflow, making it a joy to write, share, and collaborate on code. It fosters a collaborative environment. In the ever-evolving landscape of software development, VS Code and GitHub have become indispensable allies. They are tools that developers rely on daily. They empower developers to write cleaner code, collaborate effectively, and bring their ideas to life with unprecedented efficiency. The combination of these tools enhances productivity, just like a seasoned explorer relies on their compass and map. Developers navigate the digital frontier with VS Code and GitHub as their trusted guides. These tools are essential for modern software development.